Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today we are going to see 10 lines on my school garden. My school garden is a beautiful and peaceful place. It has many colorful flowers like roses, marigolds, and sunflowers. There are also big trees that give shade and keep the garden cool. We have a small vegetable patch where we grow plants like spinach and tomatoes. Butterflies and bees can often be seen flying around the flowers. There are benches where we can sit and enjoy the fresh air. Our teachers teach us about plants and nature in the garden. We help keep the garden clean and water the plants. The garden is a wonderful place to relax and play during breaks. I love my school garden because it makes our school look green and beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.